Do you want an outro just like Mrwhosetheboss? Okay, so today this is your chance to get it, and I will show you how to make one like that. And I have make an outro without his logo, so let's get started. Okay, so now just put the logo or your logo in the middle of this video and you will get a video just like this. As always guys, you will get the download link on the description. Mrwhosetheboss outro without his logo. So download that.